Hi, third, fourth, and fifth grade Learn from Home students. I'm Mrs. Erickson, and I'm going to be guiding you as you learn this year. I'm a mom and a grandma, and I've been working with kids for over 25 years. So we'll get through this crazy, unusual year together. As a matter of fact, I'll be working from home this year too. And this is where I'll be working from. It's actually my sewing room. And I'm going to take you on just a quick look around here. You'll see lots of sewing machines and equipment and supplies. And right back around to me. So, as I said, I'll be working from home this year too, and we'll be using the linking learning curriculum. And as a matter of fact, if you want to head on over with your parents or caregiver to the Big Rapids Public Schools webpage, there are just tons of videos and information about this really cool curriculum that we'll be using. Let's get ready for a great year of learning together. I'll be in touch with you this week, and enjoy the last few days of summer. Take care. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.